In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use generative AI tools in Adobe Express, Firefly. By the end, you'll be able to open Adobe Express in your browser, craft a clear prompt, choose the right Firefly model, and generate multiple image options in just a few clicks. First, open your favorite web browser and head to the Adobe Express website. This works on most modern browsers and doesn't require any extra installations, so it's quick to get started. Give the page a moment to load, so all the creative tools are ready. On the Express homepage, look for an option that says Generate with AI or Generate Image. This is your entry point to Firefly's creative features. When you open it, you'll see a prompt box. This is where you tell the AI what to create. Think of your prompt as a creative brief. The clearer you are, the better your results. For example, you might type something like sunset surf scene, vibrant colors, 4K poster style. Notice how that example includes a subject, a mood, and a stylistic direction. You can add other useful details, like lighting, composition, or era, but keep it concise and specific. Next, choose a Firefly model from the drop-down menu. If you see Firefly Image 3, that's a great choice for high-quality, versatile outputs across both photorealistic and illustrative styles. If you're unsure which model fits your idea, start with the most recent option. Updates typically improve detail, realism, and adherence to your prompt. You can always switch models and try again if you want a different look. Now, click Generate. The AI will work for a few moments and then display several image options, each interpreting your prompt in slightly different ways. This variety is helpful. You can compare color choices, composition, and style to see which one best matches your vision. If one image looks close but not quite right, take note of what you want to change and fine-tune your prompt with more specific language, then generate again. Small adjustments, like specifying warm golden hour lighting, aerial perspective, or ultra-clean vector style, can make a big difference. That's the core workflow. Open Adobe Express. Find the Generate with AI tool. Write a strong prompt. Pick your Firefly model, and generate multiple options to review. With a thoughtful prompt and the right model, you'll quickly produce visuals that align with your creative goals. Thanks for watching, and have fun exploring what Firefly can bring to your ideas.